the ancient art of friction fire making unfolds, a practice as old as time. Here, life ignites with a dance of friction and patience woven into the fabric of community. Here, in this sacred circle, they forge a bond that transcends time, a legacy of resilience and love, kindled by the very fire they have created together on these sacred
ये
days.
नीचे वाला फोकस वाला अभी फायर आ रहा है ना, यहाँ पे फोकस करो, लाइट आ रही है, लाइट आ रही है।
In the heart of the village, the arena is set for a spectacle of strength and cunning. A classic match of Naga wrestling where science, strategy, and humor reign supreme. And so, as the sun dips low, laughter fills the air in this sacred ring, strength and wit intertwined, reminding us that joy can be found in the most unexpected of battles.
कंटिन्यू चल रहा है, थोड़ा ब्रेक वाला के लिए ना, वो हाँ कंटिन्यू चल रहा है। अभी वाला हाँ सही है, ठीक है।
世纪还未几丝高，水上高来，高来，离散相爱，对，相爱自然对，家既然吧，既然吧，既然的，来的，so 大概。
As the dust settles, the once vibrant scene transforms into one of sorrow. The villagers gather, waiting for their lost loved ones, their grief palpable. The sun has turned its back on the village, and sorrow blankets the land.
ठीक 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 है
Amidst the chaos and grief, a calm figure steps forward. Jonathan, a missionary, walks steadily towards the grieving villagers. In this moment of despair, he seeks to bring the light of hope and the message of God's love. He brings news of a love that transcends boundaries, urging them to rise from the ashes of conflict. In the wake of conflict, hope springs anew as the first seeds of faith take root.
Spiderweb. What is this spiderweb?
A drop of golden sun. A name I call myself. A long way to run. So I need a
In the
voice
space of faith and learning, the villagers embrace a new way of understanding, harmonizing their traditions with newfound beliefs and faith.
So I need a voice a note to my soul. I sing the jam and bread that will bring us back to Joe.
Alright, Alini Chole. A for Ava. B for Bao. C for Cho. D for Do. E for Imai. F for Phil. G for Gusto. H for Hose. J for Ja. K for Kikai. M for Ma. P for Pooh. S for Sa. X for Z. Hai đi cả class chế đây Z.
In this fusion of faith and education, the seeds of progress are sown, nurturing a brighter future for the Pumai community, buzzing with hope and potential, capturing the essence of their evolving identity as they embrace change while honoring their roots. In this moment of celebration, we witness the evolution of the Pumai people, each individual a testament to resilience and growth. We introduce to you Pastor Sapana Sewa, a Christian leader guiding the congregation with compassion and faith. Dr. Sazero, a physician making a difference every day, whose hands restore both health and growth. R.S. Zoriko Napu, an entrepreneur forging new paths and pushing boundaries. K.N. James, an engineer dedicated to transforming ideas into practical solutions that improve our everyday lives. Dr. Avivedi, a distinguished professor, shaping the young minds of tomorrow with wisdom and knowledge. And last but not the least, we have Paiva, a musician connecting hearts and bringing stories to life through music. Today, we honor and celebrate the remarkable journey of the Pumai people, a vibrant tapestry of resilience and unity. Each story, whispers of hope, illuminating a path toward a brighter future, honoring our rich heritage. Together, we are not just witnesses to history, we are the architects of our future.